My son is on holidays now, and yeah, the longest holiday in 1 month. So I decided to be giving my children oats and milk. Funny, this my son's milk, like two sachets of milk. He couldn't even take inch like this, small. He couldn't even take a drop of milk, and now he's having this much milk. Thank God though. Like I prayed that allergy out of his body. Hmm. I prayed it out. It was a lot. But anyway, it's not taking anything diarrhea. Like eating everything that a child should eat to have a good childhood and a happy childhood. Yeah. And I'm not allowing the devil to steal the joy that my child will have as a child during his childhood. I don't know if I put that right. I'm not allowing the devil to steal my child's joy that he should have growing up as a child. So I think better put that way. Anyway, this is what they're having for breakfast. And they must eat this every day. Even me too. Like we must eat this every day. I don't want to know. Routine diet, oats, milk and egg. We must have it every day. It's only egg I wanted to fry you. I said I've been doing work since, and the work is just putting clothes in the washing machine, going back, bringing it out, put another one because my washing machine was bad for a while, and they just fixed it. So the amount of clothes to be washed, my husband is not around because the one that usually used to do laundry things, but I gotta do it. So I said let me fry egg or balance, watch film. Before I know, egg entered plantain. From plantain to ketchup to suya pepper to malt and malt to yogurt. So I don't want to go and have now. I'm going to turn this into a cup and then add my yogurt. If you know my mixture, I don't know if you know Instagram people. Okay, if you know my mixture, that's what I do. Okay, you should know that I used to pour milk too inside. So smart one that taught me, you pour milk in a cup and then you put yogurt inside. Always a nice combination. Thank God for my
This is my
charcoal
second time
stuff
using it, and I decided since I even boiled
and my dear
egg, boiled
husband.
water. I
Yes.
just use. What do you think? What other thing
For
should I make on it?
improvising, I'm boiling egg here and the rice is cooking as you can see. I mean whether you dey follow her go. On Tuesday. I will go drop her. Then she will come back herself. Mommy. I have this piece. It's just this piece.
Even with these few periods that you take, even in chaos, I'm not joke, in this chaos, I have never seen yeah. Today I remember something. I remember when, things were falling apart for my dad financially. Almost like because of the way weddings, because of things from that, so I need to be that prayer point.
I
And
do.
when it is that believers then that are prayer point. But my dear, the truth is you don't get where
He's always looking. I had to force some things inside. I even remove some things. Everything is just full today. Brain, should I get another bucket? This is why I need a pantry. Like, I need a new house. I need a new home. God, I beg, pick up my call. So, I need a pantry, like a new house, new home stuff. Because what is all this? What is all this? I'm tired of this house, and that's why because I don't want to do anything in the kitchen, and I don't know if even you see that conversation. I will have that conversation on that day, but for now, this is my life. Can it be better? Yes, but there's a reason why it cannot be better for now, and I will give you that gist in the future. But this is what I'm working with, and I just compressed things. I even remove some of my stuffs. Well, that's a chat. If you've been struggling with food timetable and you don't know how to go around food timetable, the truth is that for you to efficiently have stick to food timetable and food timetable work for you is if you have a working freezer and you buy things in bulk. Sorry, this chicken is you buy things in bulk and you plan ahead of time. That means, for example, this is my beans now. When I get beans, I pick the beans once. Even though these days I'm not a fan of picking beans, sometimes this chicken, I will strangle this chicken. Sometimes I ask my sister-in-law to help me pick it. But this time, yeah, I picked a lot. It's a lot. Like it's the old beans in the house that I picked. So and almost a pint bucket of beans because I've cooked out of it. And this is the remaining one. So I'm going to boil this now halfway. That's what I usually do. I boil it halfway and then obviously we rinse, pour. I'm going to wash this now, then boil it halfway, which is your parboiling. Then rinse the water out, make sure it's very clean, and then I pack it back in plastics or whatever storage containers you have. If it's the glass lids, as they say, plastics are not good anymore. Anyway, I can't even eradicate the whole of plastics in my house. But anyway, you just pack it into a container. Then whenever I want to cook things like beans porridge, I just bring it out and under 10 minutes the beans is done. Or I want to cook beans and rice, and yeah, I just cook the beans with the rice together and under 10 minutes everything is just ready. So there's no stress. So what I do is that I do the hard work now by picking it and boiling it and packing it in the freezer down. So whenever I want to, let's say tomorrow we're going to eat beans porridge or rice and beans with stew, I just bring it out that morning and know that yeah, it's going to thaw, and I just whip it together, combine things, and yeah, food is ready. So that's how I inculcate steady diet routine. And I have growing kids, so beans is not something I must lack in the house. I don't like to lack it, even though I'm not a fan of beans. It's age, as I've grown now, nobody will need to tell me to eat beans. So, and then I have growing children, it's good for them. So, I like to have it in the house steadily. I don't want a situation where I'll be thinking of the stress of how to make beans because of the process of just picking the dirt out and the clean one. Do you get what I mean? So that's what I just do. I do the stress once and for all, and then I know that okay, beans is in our diet, steady. Yeah, so I just thought to share instead of me just showing you random beans. Let me just tell you what I do with my beans and how I go about making things like timetable stick. That's the way timetable can stick. Buy things ahead, prepare them, you prep all those things ahead, and yeah, you're good to go. So yeah, that's what I want to do. That's what I've been doing today. And then this is plantain that my husband bought. The other one he bought was ripe, and we finished that one. And this is the other one is not yet ripe. Still very hard. And I have an air fryer, and I will show you. Don't worry, I will show you everything about the air fryer. We're gonna use it together. We'll see how it works together. And the amazing part of it is that it can dehydrate. That means I can make things like ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder. Oh my goodness! If people are in for it, I'm gonna carry you along. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, bye bye.